Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead with this week's grocery haul. Now I gotta tell you, we didn't buy a lot of dairy because we were shopping in Quebec. Howie will be buying, probably spending, what, $20 on milk on Monday, dear, and bananas? So there will be an additional $20 spent on Monday on milk and bananas. But we spent $315. And it's going to surprise you because I bought some meat. Okay, starting at the back we have 12 rolls of paper towel, one package of large freezer bags, 3 of medium, Cheerios, Shreddies, ice cream corn cones. I was craving crackers. Boxes of Kraft Dinner. There's my pickling salt. 3 bags of pasta. A watermelon. Cleaner for my dishwasher. 2 things of beef broth. Onions. Baking potatoes. Peppers. Lemons. This is the only dairy we bought. Sour cream and cheese for those baking potatoes. 3 packages of pasta, macaroni and cheese, cones for ice cream, crackers, pickling salt, 3 loaves of ancient grain bread, and buns for sausages, romaine lettuce for salad, peppers, nice bag of cherries, 10 legs of chicken, cheese, sausages. Now here is what cost the most. Now I gotta tell you folks, there is a reason I bought 5 packages of T-bone steaks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's supper. Is because these were on sale. Look at, oh, this one's ripped. I'm gonna have to repackage them anyway. 2 T-bone steaks. 1809. 1707. 19. 20. Okay? So we got 10 steaks. This one's 22. This is tonight's supper. Okay? It's summertime. We need steak. This is package number 5. Those 5 packages were $100. I'm sorry, but recently I could have spent that in hamburger. I was getting the steaks. Oh, and I forgot. I got a couple of jugs of vinegar because you know what's coming. All right, this all was $315. Now, I thought since I showed you these steaks and I'm cooking some tonight, I would show you how I prepare them. Could you put this in the fridge in the pantry, please? I just do a little bit of olive oil. This is actually supposed to be extra virgin avocado oil. They must press it with the skin and all because I've never seen green avocado oil before. And we're going to take 1 lemon. It's one of our old ones. We're going to mix that all in there like that. The lemon juice starts the cooking process, and the avocado keeps things. Oh wow, we may not have room. Holy smokes, folks! I'm going to have to cut another lemon. Look at this. I can't fit the 2 of them in. Thank you, dear. The bread can go in the pantry freezer if you want. Not the hot dog buns, though. I'm going to save that half a lemon for iced tea. Now we want to just get this all rubbed into the meat. You cannot go wrong with a good quality oil and lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. Paper towel. Oh. And this is Clubhouse La Grille Montreal steak spice. Now I'm going to put the rest of these groceries away. Whoa, look at my dessert. I'm going to put the rest of these groceries away, and then I'm going to go for a swim. And Howie's going to start the barbecue. And we are going to eat T-bones. This is Mrs. Wolfe from our half-acre homestead saying, I got to get this meat in the freezer and I got to get those steaks on the barbecue. Mwah! Take care. God bless. We're eating steak. Why? Because it's on sale and we're worth it. Take care. God bless.